beach? You like it? What do you think of the sand? And the water? Yeah?
Good.
What about those waves?
Good.
Are they very, very scary? You want to walk with me?
No.
No, you're going to stay right there? Okay.
What's some more lava?
Aaron's going to get you some.
Is it going to be really, really heavy?
Yes, the water's heavy to carry, yes. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Have you had a fun vacation here in New York? Good.
Seagulls.
Yeah. One almost flew and hit me in the head before. They're crazy.
Seagulls poop.
Yes, they do.
Seagulls are birds.
Yes, they are. What a smart boy.
Is that on the way to get some more?
Yep.
Is she going to carry it?
I think the buckets are filled with water. You want to go check them out?